After navigating to Opensea.io in your browser of choice, click on the wallet icon in the top right corner. Here we can see the different kinds of wallets that you can connect to Opensea. For this example, I'm going to be using the popular Ethereum wallet, MetaMask. After clicking MetaMask, it has taken me to the download page. This is because I do not yet have MetaMask installed as a browser extension. By clicking on Install for Chrome, it will take me to the web store, and then I can simply click Add to Chrome. Once we have received confirmation, it should take us to this page where we can get started. Now we are given the option to either import an existing wallet or to create a new one. I already have a MetaMask wallet set up, so I'm going to be using that for this example. After importing or creating your wallet, you can then close out of the 3 tabs and go back to Opensea. Give the page a quick refresh so that it updates and realizes that we now have MetaMask or your wallet of choice as a browser extension. Navigate to the small wallet icon again and click on the wallet that you are using. In this case, a small window pops up, and I get to choose which account I would like to connect to Opensea. As this is a new wallet, I only have one account, and this is the account that I'm going to be using for Opensea. Click on Next, and Opensea will tell you the permissions. Click on Connect. And just like that, we have connected our wallet to Opensea. We can click on the Add Funds button to either deposit from a different wallet or an exchange, or we can add by card. After doing so, the next step would be to find an NFT that you would like to purchase. Opensea hosts a variety of NFTs. I, however, am a fan of Doge, so I'm going to use the search function for Doge. After finding a listing that you would like to buy, you can click on it. By clicking on the listing, you'll be given all relevant information to the NFT. This includes current offers, current price, and transaction history. There are 2 ways that we can go about buying this NFT. The first would be to buy now at the price set by the seller. You also have the option to make an offer and set your own price. However, this won't always be agreed to, especially if the number is significantly below the set price by the seller. Let's say we wanted to buy now. Click on Agree to Terms and Services, and if I had the funds in my account, I could then buy this NFT. After buying an NFT, if you go to the top right, this drop-down menu here, and go to My Collections. This is where your purchased NFTs will show up.